Today, I am reviewing Grange Insurance and sharing my full user experience with the platform. When you first land on the Grange Insurance website, the homepage highlights their main categories of coverage, including auto, home, renters, and business insurance. The layout is fairly standard, with large buttons directing you to request a quote or connect with an agent. Navigation is simple, but the design feels somewhat outdated compared to other insurance providers. It works, but it doesn't stand out visually. When I tested the quote system, I noticed that it is not fully automated like some competitors. Instead of instantly generating a detailed estimate, the site prompts you to provide your details and then often connects you with a local independent agent. This can be a positive if you prefer human guidance, but for users who want immediate digital results, it might feel slow and inconvenient. Exploring the auto insurance section, Grange highlights standard protections like liability, collision, and comprehensive, but they also emphasize add-ons such as roadside assistance and rental reimbursement. The descriptions are clear, though not as in-depth as I would expect. There's limited transparency on pricing, and you won't find detailed sample rates directly on the website, which makes comparing policies harder. The homeowners and renters insurance pages are similar in structure. They cover basics such as dwelling protection, personal property, and liability, but again, the details feel high level. If you are looking for a quick breakdown of exact coverage limits or policy exclusions, you won't find them here without contacting an agent. This is an area where Grange could improve, as many modern insurance websites now provide interactive tools and transparent sample coverage documents. The business insurance section is more comprehensive. It lists options for small businesses, commercial auto, and general liability. The language is professional and direct, which may appeal to business owners, but the navigation here requires some patience since you often have to click multiple times to access the information you need. When I looked into the claims process, I found that Grange Insurance does provide online claim filing, which is convenient, but the system itself is not as polished as other providers. Some reviews from other customers online mention that claim responses can be slower than expected. This aligns with my impression that while Grange offers decent coverage, their digital tools and claim responsiveness could use significant upgrades. The customer service section emphasizes the use of local independent agents. This model has pros and cons. On one hand, you get personalized service and someone who knows your area. On the other hand, it means that your experience may vary greatly depending on the agent you're assigned. Consistency is not guaranteed, and this could be frustrating if you expect a seamless digital-first service. Many useful links you can find in the description. Overall, my experience with Grange Insurance is mixed. On the positive side, they offer a wide range of insurance products, their reliance on local agents can provide a more personal touch, and their policies cover all the basics you'd expect. On the downside, the website feels outdated, lacks transparency on pricing, and the online tools don't compete with some of the bigger insurance providers that have invested heavily in modern digital platforms. For someone who values personal interaction and local representation, Grange Insurance may be a solid option. However, if you prioritize speed, online convenience, and upfront transparency, you might find the process cumbersome. Their coverage is reliable, but the overall user experience could definitely be improved. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video for more honest reviews and insights.